won't spend time with this, but I'd just like to say for a couple of minutes the Aaronic blessing and why it's so important. If you go to Numbers chapter 6, verse 22 to 27. It says, Jehovah said to Moshe, "Speak to Aaron and his sons, and tell them that this is how you are to bless the people of your Israel. You are to say to them," and then it speaks of the blessing. And in 27 it says, In this way they are to put my name on the people of your Israel, so that I will bless them. I want to say quickly, my brothers, that the name of our Father, the name of Elohim, name is important. I just want to say quickly, name is important. He gives names with meanings, and we can't touch on that too much now. But he wants us to bless him and bless us, the congregation, in his name. Another part of that blessing speaks about his face being shone on you. He says, make his face to be shone on you, and he will be gracious unto you. Because in Psalms 80, and I'm taking it from the CJB, in the normal it will say verse 3, it says, God restore us, Elohim restore us, make your face shine, and we will be saved. And again, in verse 6 in CJB, it said, Elohim of armies, restore us. Make your face shine, and we will be saved. And at the end of that Psalm 80, it says, Yehovah, Elohim of armies, Elohei Zevaot, restore us, make your face shine, and we will be saved. So we bless in the name of Yehovah. Yivrachecha Yehovah ve'yishmerecha, Ye'er Yehovah b'navalecha v'chunecha, Yisa Yehovah b'navalecha v'yasam lecha, Shalom. Yehovah, may you bless the kingdom, bless my brothers and sisters, bless your sons, bless my family, bless your people, bless your chosen one, and keep them. Jehovah, may you make your face shine upon them. Shine upon them, O Yah. Shine upon them. There shall be no darkness around them, O Yah. Shine upon them. The enemy shall flee. Shine upon them, O Yah, and be gracious unto them. Jehovah, may you lift your face, O Yah, and the light that emanates from your face, your rays of light that is greater than the sun, shall shine upon them, O Yah, and grant them shalom, wholeness, completeness, Almighty Father. There shall be nothing lacking in them. In your Yeshua's mighty name. Amen. Amen. Amen.